How are you feeling?
Great.
Great. Are you really energized?
Yes.
Choice is not there.
There is no choice.
Energy.
So, I will not take much time because we are already half an hour late. So, so we need to be fast. I think today's all the speaker as well as evaluators were quite good because lot of energy, lot of good messages. If you look at the first speaker, very good start of the speech and the very good message about be careful when you're setting up your dreams. Again, Bacha had a very different style with coming up with a naughty childhood, and then again coming up with a message. And then Tom Lay again has a very different way and about. So, and then last one was again you came in, and I think all the speakers had a very different style, and all of you did well. And I think you have already got the evaluation from your evaluators. I will not delve into it, but let me just quickly touch upon the evaluators. So if I look at the first evaluator, I think all the evaluators today were very clear on the objective. I think that's one good thing which I have now started seeing in this club, where the speech is being evaluated based on the objective, which is very good. So Adam also started with that, and very good suggestion. He used the sandwich approach, started with appreciating the speaker, then gave some feedback, again came up with something which can again motivate the speaker to come back. The only suggestion, Adam, would be that you talked about transition, and you said that please improve on the transition. It would have been good if you just gave some example how to make the transition. Yeah. Kondo again the same thing. I would say that objective was very well done and everything. As far as I understand, his objective was the body language, and it's more about the movement and facial expression and all gestures. He did it, but I think it could have been done much better because he had a lot of opportunities. Because you had a robber coming in, and then you did that. But I think that's something where you said, with example, that's something which I would say that come up with some more example. That as a speaker, I would really love that, because that's the feedback I can really take. Yeah. Thomas, again, I think we always love your evaluation. Good way of connecting. I didn't see anything which I can really recommend here. Harris, again, very well done. So overall, today I really saw that all the speakers, all the evaluators are very good, well done. And especially today's highlight, I would say, apart from the speakers and the evaluators, it was Daniel, the way you explained. I think we are setting up our bar much higher now. So whoever takes that role is going to be tough. Yeah. So very well done. Now, again, word of the day, and Rich has his own style of coming and presenting. Our counter, well done. So overall, I really enjoyed today's meeting and learned a lot. And I'm sure we will also ask our guests to give the feedback. But just a couple of things as a club we should be really careful about is the time. Where did we go wrong? We were supposed to end our meeting by 4 o'clock, it's almost 4:30. So my suggestion would be, if you, I think we had too many table topic speakers. At the same time, we also had 4 prepared speakers. So, when we have more speakers, just curtail these table topic speakers so that we don't over. So whatever, again, it is up to the ExCom to decide on that. Yeah. So overall, I really enjoyed the meeting, and over to you.